Vanessa DeBurle here, and today we're going to talk about what kind of tools that you can buy to assist you in recording your videos. Now I want to give you a disclaimer. You don't have to buy any tools. You can just use your phone and record from there, and you can upload to YouTube from your phone. Now if you decide to do that, you have to put an app on your phone. I already did two videos. One was how to upload your videos to YouTube, and the other one was a couple of software tools that you could use to help record. You can always use your phone, and that's a great way to start. You don't have to do anything else. But I just wanted to show you, everybody usually starts with their phone and then they kind of start upgrading. So these are the tools that I have gradually gotten, and I've been very pleased with them. In the beginning I was like, oh, I don't want to buy anything, but I'm really pleased with what I've gotten. So again, I'll show you what I have, what I've used, and give you a good price range. And what was awesome, I have links to these below if you're interested in getting the link and going directly to the products. Obviously, you don't have to do that, but if you're like me, I like the one quick stop shop, one-stop shop. Give me the link and let me find it. I don't like looking. So that's why I did that. But I'm going to give you a range of other items that I found around that. So let's just get started. 3 items. If you're using your laptop, you can use your internal camera, but typically they're not of very high quality. So I did some research, and I actually did not buy this one. I have the webcam C920 because at the time that I bought it, mine was like $75 and this one was over $100. Well, now this one that you see listed is better than the one I have, and it runs about $72 right now. Actually, all these items are on sale as of the day today that I'm doing this video. So I would definitely recommend getting this better one. You're going to pay less for this than I did for the one I have. I have the 920, the older version. And again, I only went down to the other version because of the cost at the time, but this one right now is a phenomenal cost. It's like I said, it's like $72 as of today when I was looking at it. Again, the prices change. But you just clip this onto the top of your computer. See how it looks like a little clip down here? And you tell the program to integrate and to use that camera, and it works just like your webcam on your computer, except you're adding this to the top of it. Very, very easy to use. Now the microphone I use is the Blue Yeti microphone. I searched and searched and searched and Googled and looked at all the different ones, and for the value, I looked at a lot of different reviews. This is the one I'm using. You can buy the microphone by itself without the headset and the little diffuser. I think they're called diffusers, but this just helps with the noise. It's like a noise diffuser. So if you're, in a room that the noise could be bouncing, then that'll help, soften the noise for you. And then you can have a headset as well. I just found for the value, buying it as a whole set, it was a better value. But again, if you don't want those 2 items, you can just get the microphone. I've been very, very pleased with it. I would like to podcast someday, so that's why I went with this, because that was one of the reviews on it. It was great for podcasting. So again, it just depends on what you're looking for. This ran as of today, about $140 for the whole set. And again, you can buy it piecemeal if you would like. This is fun. The next one, I took a lot, as you can see behind me, there's a gray screen. I did a lot of research, and if you get into lighting, which I haven't, you can make a gray screen look black, or you can make it look white, and that's why I went with the gray. But a lot of people are starting to get the cool backgrounds with the different maybe brick or something behind them. You can also buy backgrounds that will stick to a wall. If you don't have wall space, you may have to get a cloth background and put it on a stand. Now, when I started looking, I kept thinking cloth, that, it's going to tear. I just couldn't envision what it was like, but I do have one, and it hangs from the stand. And I have one of those irons that you use, steam irons that you can blow in the air. I don't know how else to describe it. It's not your typical iron with ironing board. And I use that, and it just takes out every wrinkle. So you may have to, purchase one of those. I did not put the link for that. Now, this particular backdrop, I just wanted to show you how you can get something different. This one only ran like $15, and you want to get like a 5x7. I ended up buying one way too big because I was like, I don't know how big to buy it. A 5x7 is plenty big enough. Now the stands, sometimes different companies will give you the option to buy a backdrop with a stand as a set, but if you just get a stand, maybe you can't find one you like that isn't a set, they run like $25. They're very, very economical. They're not really expensive, and you can have fun and get 2 or 3 different backgrounds. But again, don't do what I did and buy one that's way too big. I've got it all rolled up on the floor, way too big. I was afraid I'd get one that was too small. All right, now those are the things I use when I videotape or record from my laptop. Sometimes, in the summertime, you want to go outside and record. I have 2 things that I've gotten. I hesitated, but I have had so much fun with them. And one, I have a stand for my iPhone. So if I go outside, I can just, put the phone on the stand, the tripod. Well, another item that I bought with it is a little Lavalier microphone. It looks like this, and it clicks into your phone, and then you clip the microphone onto your shirt, and the cord is like 12 feet long, so you can stand way back, have your phone set up, and then some of them come with a little Bluetooth remote control thing where you can turn your phone on and off from a distance, and the one I got did have that. The one I'm showing you here does not, but it was valued around $25. I just wanted to give you an idea. 51 inches. Pay attention to the tripod's length, because some of the tripods are little short ones and they just go on your desk if you want to record yourself sitting in your office instead of using the webcam. So it just depends what you're looking for. I love my tripod. It's very lightweight. You can pull it together really fast, and the little clip with the microphone has been fantastic. And the nice thing about that is it picks up your voice right near you. So if you're talking 6 feet from the camera, you don't fade out, and it really picks it up well. This little clip, I think I paid like $25 for mine. It was on Amazon right now for $10.99. So it seems like all the prices are going down. Now, of course, you may be watching this 6 months after I've recorded it, and you're going to go, you're lying. That's what they are today. Today is January 28th, 2019. So the prices look really good. I have used all of these items. I hesitated at first. I didn't want to get sucked into buying a whole bunch of supplies, but I will be honest, I love all of them. I am very happy with my purchases, and it took me a while. I did a lot of research, Googling, and I'm sure there's other items out there people will tell you that are better. I mean, that's just the way consumer, with products are, but I'm just sharing with you what I have used, and I've been very pleased with them. So again, I have all the links below. You are more than welcome to use the links or to get the information and go search yourself. Either way is fine. And then I also have 2 more videos in the series, so definitely go below. Click those on. If you're a beginner, I'm hoping that these will help you get started, because I know sometimes it's just you just don't know what to do and where to go, and there's just so much information. So see, my goal in life is to help beginners get started and not get overwhelmed with too much information. So enjoy videotaping, recording. I hope to see you on YouTube. Put your name in the link if you've done your first video. I'd love to come watch it and like it and subscribe to your channel. All right, and please to subscribe to mine as well. All right, have a wonderful afternoon and have fun recording.